This is the Samsung Galaxy A31 unboxing and quick review. But before that guys, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more notifications and for more tech reviews.
Double cup, big straight, holy nuts. Out of my friends, I want Audis. Smoking on booth and it's my weed.
So let's check guys inside what's in the box. So first of all guys, there's a silicone back cover inside the box. Okay, it's transparent, good for so you can see the color inside of the phone. And this is the phone guys, so let's open it later. Okay, and inside there's also this is the 18 watts fast charger, okay, of the A31 Samsung. And also it comes with a USB Type-C and a Type-A connector, and also there's one normal headset inside the box. Okay, and also there's a SIM card tray, and that's it guys. Alright, so now let's open it. When opening the phone guys, it's so satisfying, so let's open it guys, come on. So my first impression guys with the design is okay, because this is only a mid-range phone with a reasonable price tag. It has plastic frame and polycarbonate plastic body with 6.4 inches Super AMOLED display, Full HD Plus resolution, which is 1080 by 2400 pixels and 411 ppi density. So with this price range guys, Samsung still managed to put a good display, because we know that they are the one who manufactured it. So from the left side, it has SIM card tray with dual SIM card slot and one memory card, which is expandable up to 512 storage. And from the bottom, there are Type-C connector, headphone jack, one microphone and speaker grills. And from the right side, there are power button and volume control. And here is the rear camera, which has 48 megapixel main lens with f2.0 aperture, 8 megapixel ultra wide lens, 5 megapixel macro lens, and 5 megapixel depth sensor for better portrait photos.
Sorry, it's DJ.
And in terms of specifications, this phone is Android 10 out of the box with Samsung One UI 2.1 version with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB internal storage. This phone also used their own chipset, which is Exynos with clock speed of octa-core 2.0 GHz. And in terms of battery capacity, this phone has 5000 mAh capacity, so you can use this phone up to 2 days of usage. In terms of different colors, it comes with white, red, blue, and black. And if you are asking for the price, this phone is only 919 dirhams or 11,500 pesos in the Philippines. So guys, that's it. That's my first impression of Samsung A31, the new models which for a mid-range smartphone. So next video guys, I'm gonna make the full review of this smartphone. So please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more notifications and for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you tomorrow. Peace out.